Hello and welcome to कन्वर्सेशन विद साइक गुरु. लेकिन शुरू करने से पहले एक बात शेयर करता हूँ. कुछ दिनों पहले मुझे किसी ने पूछा था कि सपोज़ कल रात को तुझे खाना नहीं मिला है और आज सुबह दो ऑप्शन दिए गए. एक ऑप्शन ये है कि बहुत बढ़िया बफे ब्रेकफास्ट लगा है और दूसरा ऑप्शन है सुबह सुबह तुझे प्यारे से सनराइज़ देखने को मिलेगी. विच वन विल यू चूज़? ना मतलब ऑब्वियसली मैंने अगर कल रात को ठीक से खाना नहीं खाया होगा तो मैं डेफिनेटली बफे ब्रेकफास्ट चूज़ करूँगा. एंड आई थिंक मोस्ट पीपल वुड डू दैट एनी वे, राइट? लेकिन ये बात इतनी सिंपल नहीं है. इसके पीछे बहुत कुछ है. उसके पीछे एक साइंस है. इसके पीछे हमारी नीड्स कैसी इवॉल्व होती है ये बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से बताया गया है इन फॉर्म ऑफ अ पिरामिड. और इस चीज़ को जानने के लिए हम बात करेंगे मेरे साइक गुरु से, निहारिका से, कि ये पिरामिड ऑफ नीड्स या हायरार्की ऑफ दिस नीड्स क्या होता है. क्या आप हमारे साथ शेयर करेंगे?
Of course, by all means. So, the hierarchy of needs, as it is, was given by Abraham Maslow, who was an American psychologist.
MASLOW.
Right.
Okay.
It's called Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and it's one of the most popularized theories in psychology, I would say at least. So, basically, in the pyramid, there is an increasing order of complexity in these needs, but a decreasing requirement.
Okay. Okay.
So basically, to break it down, जो सबसे बेसिक नीड होती है, सबसे नीचे जो होती है, वो सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है.
हाँ. Okay.
It drives you more.
Okay. मतलब वो ज़्यादा होती है, उसकी
Right.
ज़रूरत ज़्यादा है.
Yes.
Okay.
And denying that causes more problems, according to Maslow.
ठीक है.
So the basic need that every human has, every biological being has, I would say, is physiological needs. This counts food, sleep,
Okay.
things like that.
Food, water, shelter, ये सब. Okay.
Right. And I think if this need is unmet, I don't think there is any further development that happens.
ठीक है. मतलब वो तो मतलब जीने के लिए जो एसेंशियल है
Basic
वो ही है ना.
survival needs,
कि
right.
खाना ही नहीं खाया तो क्या जियोगे.
Exactly.
तो ये जो मैंने शुरू में बोला था
Yes.
कि रात को ठीक से खाना नहीं मिला तो सबसे पहले तो मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करने जाऊंगा.
Exactly. Yes.
ठीक है.
The next need is a safety need. कि
ये हो गया.
ठीक है, अब खाना हो गया,
हाँ.
नींद पूरी हो गई, I am fit and fine,
हाँ.
I'm healthy, but I don't have safety. I'm living in a very dangerous neighborhood, or I don't have a house of my own. कभी भी मेरे घर से छत can go away. So that's a safety need that I have
सेफ्टी
a
सिक्योरिटी.
right. That's safety needs.
ठीक है.
The next need is love and belongingness.
हाँ.
Now that I have physical safety, I have all my needs, biological needs met. Next, what people look for is love, belongingness, companionship, somebody who understands them, somebody who they can share their feelings with. Basically, friends, partners of the sort.
ठीक है. तो खाना खा लिया, सो लिया, फिर अच्छा मुझे सिक्योर सेफ फील करना है.
Right.
मुझे डर नहीं है किसी से, मेरी जान नहीं जा रही, वो टाइप सिक्योरिटी है. उसके बाद मैं सोचूंगा मेरे इमोशंस के बारे में, राइट?
Right.
जो है तुम्हारा प्यार, मोहब्बत, यारी, दोस्ती, ये सब.
Companionship. Basically.
आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू रिलेट. ठीक ही है. मतलब अगर कोई वॉर टोन कंट्री में है तो उसकी नीड तो बहुत ही अलग होगी,
Right.
है ना. वो फिलहाल सोचेगा कि वॉर टोन है तो पहले मेरी जान बचाओ. सबसे पहले तो जान बचाना है, तो उसके लिए आपके जो बेसिक है वो सेफ्टी है, खाना है, एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, राइट?
Right.
अगर
course.
वो मेरी पूरी होती है तो टुडे पीपल फ्रॉम वॉर टोन कंट्रीज आर स्टिल स्टक इन द फर्स्ट कपल ऑफ नीड्स.
Right.
वो उसके ऊपर आ ही नहीं पाए होंगे ना.
Depending on the degree of
ठीक
war,
है, ठीक है, ठीक है, समझ गया. तो थर्ड आता है आपका
love,
इमोशंस,
belongingness.
लव, बिलोंगिंग, ये
Right.
सब. ठीक है. क्या आगे?
Fourth comes self-esteem.
सेल्फ एस्टीम.
Right. So self-esteem generally looks like recognition, fame, power, maybe validation. For somebody who's like not very into recognition or fame, it can also look like excellence or
Ah.
getting academic credit per se,
Okay.
or being able to achieve what they want and people seeing that उन्होंने achieve कर लिया है.
पोजीशन ऑफ अथॉरिटी.
Right.
हाँ, मतलब मैं
Right.
ठीक है, आई एम नॉट द रिचेस्ट पर्सन बट आई एम पावरफुल पर्सन, और इन एकेडमिया आई एम लाइक द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट. ये सब एस्टीम में आएगा.
Yes. Self-esteem basically looks like you attaining success, whatever success means to you.
Okay, got it. So success can
Right.
mean different things to different
Right.
individuals.
Depending on what
But
it means.
in a nutshell, it is success.
Right.
ठीक है.
And the next one was initially in Maslow's top. It's called self-actualization.
Esteem के ऊपर self-actualization.
Self-actualization.
Okay.
That's the peak of the pyramid.
ठीक है.
And self-actualization is basically about, now that I have everything that the world desires, I'm looking for peace. I'm looking for satisfaction. I'm looking to expand my knowledge, my expertise.
तो esteem हो गया.
Hmm.
People have.
People
I'm
have recognized
successful
you.
now.
You're successful, right?
तो इसमें और इसमें कितना फर्क है?
You might have seen कि लोग after they're successful they say कि कुछ तो कमी है.
हाँ.
I have everything but I still feel
Something is
something
missing.
missing.
हाँ.
That something that is missing is self-actualization.
तो मैं क्या करूँगा अभी?
Self-actualization, it's dominated by peace, balance, like collecting your thoughts. Self-actualized people का perfect example would be a monk
Oh.
who has achieved self-actualization.
तो peace
Right.
और
Satisfaction,
equilibrium,
content.
contentment, equilibrium, but पहुँचते हैं क्या लोग उधर?
That's another very interesting fact about Maslow's hierarchy. As it could have been very straight. Why is it a pyramid?
हाँ.
It's
तो
a
जब
pyramid.
शुरू में you said ना
Right.
that it is not the same strength of the need. You don't need.
You don't need
All the
self-actualization
needs
as
equally
much as you
badly.
need physiological needs.
Okay, got it.
So Maslow had given a few percentages of how much of a need you need to
अच्छा ये
unlock.
भी दिया है.
Yeah,
हर एक का
yes.
परसेंटेज दिया है. इसको
Yes.
इतना चाहिए कम से कम.
Yes.
Wow. Great.
So
work,
for
yeah.
example, physiological needs
हाँ.
have to be attained to 85% to be able to move on to the next level.
Okay. So that's the
Yeah,
strongest
yes.
need. So you need more.
You need
ठीक
to
है.
attain 85% of your physiological needs
जबरदस्त है.
to be able to go on. So if I'm really hungry, I'm starving, I haven't eaten anything,
आगे कुछ
my
जा ही नहीं
stomach
सकता.
has to be 85% full for me to think about the next thing.
अच्छा.
That's what it is. So in further up as the
So
pyramid goes,
जैसे ऊपर जाओगे
percentages
वैसे
decrease.
परसेंटेज कम हो रहा है.
right.
हाँ.
And by the time you reach self-actualization, you only need 10% of
तो थोड़ा सा
self-actualization.
सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन चाहिए. ओके यार दिस इज रियली कूल. मतलब
Right.
टू थिंक अबाउट डिफरेंट लेवल्स ऑफ नीड्स. ठीक है, मतलब ये इट्स काइंड ऑफ इंट्यूटिव है ना. मतलब जब आपको खाना ही नहीं मिल रहा आप आगे का सोचोगे नहीं. दिस इज ऑब्वियस. लेकिन इसका प्रोपोर्शन दिया है, ये बड़ी बात लग रही है मुझे. काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. सो इट एंड्स एट
Yes.
सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन.
Initially, when the theory was brand new, when Maslow first came up with it,
Huh.
it did. But in a few years, he realized that there is something missing. So he came up with another pyramid after self-actualization.
सो रिवाइज्ड.
Not revised per se, but when the peak was ending at self-actualization, after attaining that 10% of self-actualization, there are 3 other needs that you can move on to.
ओके.
So these 3
वो
needs
क्या है?
are the basic is cognitive, next goes to aesthetic, and then it goes to self-transcendence.
कॉग्निटिव तो मतलब कॉग्निशन इज देयर एवरीवेयर ना. क्या है?
Basic cognition and cognitive needs look different. So cognitive needs drive you to do something. Basic cognition enables you to be a being in society,
ठीक है.
like basic thinking, understanding.
अंडरस्टूड.
Cognitive needs, the people who are high in that, they are constantly looking for things that stimulate their cognition.
मतलब दे नीड टू बी
Occupied.
चैलेंज्ड, इंटेलेक्चुअली चैलेंज्ड.
Yes.
तो क्या करते हैं लोग?
So, a very
Typically.
typical example would be a person who is going forward for a PhD. Like you have a master's degree, you don't really need anything,
फिर भी
but
कर रहा हूँ
because
मैं
they're very interested in what
in
they're
doing
studying,
PhD.
in the whole process of studying,
हाँ.
that's why they're going ahead for a PhD.
Okay, without thinking कि PhD की वजह से मुझे क्या फायदा होगा.
Right,
Doing it because of the love of doing PhD या
right.
being intellectually challenged and that's why I'm doing it. ठीक है.
Or even people who choose to solve brain teasers or puzzles like crosswords, Sudoku in their free time. That
ये
is
लोग
a
भी
person
थोड़े
on
से
cognitive need.
cognitive need.
Right.
Interesting.
Honestly, not even about hobbies, even habits. So if people engage in a lot of intellectual conversation, deeper thought,
हाँ.
metacognition, they're also high on cognitive needs.
ठीक है. दूसरा क्या था?
Next is aesthetic needs,
Aesthetic. सुंदरता.
but not only in practicing it, in also appreciating it. So
Okay.
people who have the ability to spend hours in a museum just looking at one painting, just listening to one song, listening to the intricacies of every
Detailing.
right.
And appreciating the
Right.
details. Oh.
So people who appreciate and notice
Right.
the beauty in themselves and in the world around them.
Around them as well. That is your
Aesthetic
aesthetic needs. And last क्या था?
Last is the most interesting. It's self-transcendence needs. Self-transcendence is basically इसके बाद कुछ नहीं आता. It's the realization कि now I have everything. I have my cognitive needs, I have my aesthetic needs, I have self-actualization, I have the lower needs that are already I have achieved. अब मैं क्या करूँ? So self-transcendence is basically when a person is helping another person achieve their needs.
Amazing. So this person thinks that he's met all his needs. अब कुछ खास बचा नहीं है, right? He's evolved, and this person wants to help the others to achieve their dreams, goals, and their needs. Solid है.
These people are those who enable self-actualization in others.
In others, no?
Right. Or even self-transcendence in others.
Those who are mentoring.
Right. It seems like because they have experienced something so deep, so enriching, they want to share that experience with others. They want, it's like ये चीज इतनी अच्छी feel करती है, I want everybody to feel it.
हाँ हाँ. And purely for the joy of it, or purely for this
Right.
purpose itself.
Yes.
Not because they are expecting something in return.
Even if they don't get anything in return.
They'll still do it.
Right.
So that's what separates a person who has really reached that level versus someone who's just doing it for something in return.
Typically, that would be still stuck at self-esteem needs.
के need में.
Maybe.
Wow. So now you can actually categorize na, where
a person is stuck, yeah.
Amazing, yeah. So I want to believe that I am in transcendence.
We all want to believe we are in transcendence.
No, I think I am. I don't know where you are. I am in transcendence. इसलिए मैं सबकी मदद कर रहा हूँ. देखो सबकी मदद कर. But this is really cool, yeah. I really loved it. काफी सीख रही है psychology classes का फायदा हो रहा है. So I'm sure you guys have picked something from this, right? Hierarchy of needs. मुझे तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा और पता चल रहा है कि आप कौन से लेवल पे है, कहाँ पर आप पहुँचे हैं और आपको कहाँ जाना है. So eventually the final level of evolution in terms of needs would be when you're trying to help others attain their goals or attain their needs. जो आपने महसूस किया है, जो आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया है, आप चाहते हो कि वो भी एक्सपीरियंस करे उसकी सुंदरता. If you attain that, I think you've killed it. So until next time, keep watching us.